Hey guys, this is Emery, and today I will be showing you the review of the strong arm gun. So yeah, this is one of my favourite mini ones because it's like just like boom boom boom, because like the thingy and everything. So and then we got maximum 6 bullets with it. But first we're going to move on to the bullet, just show you the bullets. So the orange tip rubber. So if you're thinking like, wow, what are these? Are these hard bullets or not? It's because like they're not really hard bullets, as you can see. And these are for, I think it's about 6 or 7 or 6 up or something. Yeah, so 6 up, 6 or up, 6 plus. And then moving on to the gun. This is strong arm, as you can see. I just told you. Let's go on to the features. So elite sign there, and then if you have, and then a nice like trigger there, like you can pull, and then this is for like when you so like if you had a jacket and you know them things that clip on, like you push in and then you hit and you clip it on. So like if I push my thumb in like that, it'll come off, and then if I do that like that, one of them thingies, guys, that will be what it's for, just to carry around without you have to, and carrying it all the time. And this is my favourite part around the gun, because like the grip is really comfortable. You can hold it like that, so really comfy grip. And then moving on to this top part, there is a Nerf logo. There's another one of those hook thingies, and then yep, you see that? So you pull it back like that. You do need a bit of strength to pull it, and then just click the trigger in, and then that's shot. So, and it's a really nice grip, as you can see, because it gives you some grip instead of like if you have sweaty hands, you can just slipping off. Or if you have normal hands and a bit greasy, you could just, and then you won't slip. But some of these bullets, guys, here, oops, just move this out of the way. Some of these bullets, guys, are old. So, no offence, but I will get some new ones today. Yeah. So, and later on today we are doing a football video, so FIFA. So yeah. And then back to the gun. So sorry about the bullets if they don't shoot, but it does shoot up to 40 meters. And and it also can do this. Click that in, do that. And about this gun, I really like the colour scheme. It's like orange and blue and white. I really like that colour with it because it sort of blends in. So yeah, I'm going to test it now. Let me just reload it. So this is how you reload it, guys. You just push your bullets in, like so. And you get 6 bullets with this. Mine are old because I've had this gun for a very long time, and I wanted to review some Nerf guns. So yeah, so now for the test. I am going to try and aim for one of those planes. So let's do it to see accuracy. Oops, that wasn't good. Alright, put this one in the bed because I'm doing that. Emirate. So there we go, guys. I've only shot 3 because I don't want to pick them all up. So yeah, now for the what do you call it? Now test how you can like ways to aim. And oh yeah, I forgot to add this, guys. It has one tactical rail here that you can like put a scope on instead of just looking, and that, and then nice oval thing, and then to put that through, and then just reload it and then fire. So hope you enjoy this videos. Subscribe, leave links to Mason Vlogs and my mate, and comment for more. Ouch.